What's up guys, on today's video we're gonna talk about why is a phone hanging. Like iPhone 6 will hang, it won't move even if you touch it, or it will hook everything else. So I'm gonna talk about that and I'm gonna show you how to fix that on your phone. So the main reason causing this problem is that you might not be having the latest software update on your phone, and secondly you might have some untrusted app on your device. Thirdly, your storage might be full, that's why your phone is hanging or lagging. And the fourth reason is that you may have a lot of pictures. The fifth reason is that your phone might be hot at that particular moment, so you should keep it for a rest to 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna show you some different tricks and tips you can do to make your phone better and stop lagging. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna teach you the thing to do if your iPhone is hanging. You should turn it to the sleep mode. You should just tap on this button, turn it to the sleep mode and make it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Then go and uninstall all untrusted apps and unused apps on your phone. Get the phone to the latest version, update it and upload some pictures. Like on this iPhone, there are a lot of images on this phone, so you have to go and upload some in case, so that you can have a very good iPhone performance. And then clear your iPhone RAM. I will teach you this on my next video, how to clear your iPhone RAM. It will boost your iPhone performance. And then off the phone if it's still hanging. So I think that's all for today's video. So to see how to clear your iPhone RAM, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you'll see my next video if I drop it. And I think all these 7 tips will help you to stop your iPhone or any phone hanging. So thanks for watching. So about boosting your iPhone performance is not something new, but we are going to do it on the next video. It makes your phone smoother and you will notify a big difference when using it. So if any of you watching this video enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if any of you have any question on my video or on the channel or on my private life or on me myself, you should drop it below and I promise to make a video responding to all your questions. So don't forget to ask me a question so that I can answer. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see the next video on how to clear your iPhone RAM. It will also help you and support you on stopping your iPhone hanging or lagging. So thanks for watching. Peace. Meet us on the next one.